Good morning from Grand Pine Farm. It's May 10th, 2025, and it's about 9 o'clock. And we got another load of chips. Yeah, big load. All right. Sure is nice these guys dropping this off for me. All these loads. Sure is going to help this winter when it gets wet out here. Well, it's time to mow the field again. And I got to put some chips down behind the barn there. So I need to get the hay wagon off the grass so I can mow. So I get those sport doors out of here. Don't want to make it too thick. Silly dog, get right up here. Not enough room for both of us. Alright, it's wide enough to put the hay wagon back. Get that off the lawn so I can continue mowing. I'll have to deal with the rest of this later. Alright, that should be good. I'll see if I can move it over a little closer later on after I finish putting chips down here. Back to mowing. Try not to make too much dust because Charlie's over there washing his mom's car. Well, it's all mowed this week. They even mowed where the future goat pen is. This hill right here is still kind of steep. I'm trying to add enough dirt, make the slope easier to mow. And if I ever get that far, then we'll actually plant it with grass. Try planting other stuff here, and I just didn't make it. Except for these two lilacs. Tapping in this pile now. I don't want to get much done today, but going towards the front yard with the equipment that's out in our lane. So I might as well take some with me. When I go, that's another area I've been working on. Now I need to get the stuff out of the lane, get this hay rake and that disc back over here under the tree. Got the hay rake placed, and now I'm moving the disc. So this area is complete for now, as far as the wood chips. I still need to move that equipment around. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. Some of the antiques, that Craftsman bucket right there, it can go down the road somewhere. But the other stuff, all the spike tooth needs to go back to the backyard too. Alright, I'll take the spike tooth Herald back there with the other implements that we actually use. Alright, down here with the usable equipment, implements. Well, it's been a long day. Got a good portion of this pile gone. Drop this up along the road. Well, this is probably it today. It is 5:45, and the wind's getting cold. So we got a lot done for Saturday. Got family in the house wondering why I'm still out here. But it's Saturday. Anyway, I'll work on this another day. I'm not sure about tomorrow. Tomorrow's Mother's Day, so got some stuff planned with the wife and the kids. We'll see. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great evening. Catch you next time.